Hi everybody! Today I'm going to be showing you the behind the scenes of how I made this press-on nail set for my business. I was aiming for a bit of a simpler design. I wanted to make a design that I could make a bit quicker and hopefully a bit simpler. Well, at least in the fact that the base is all the same for the nails, but still make it cute and pretty and summery. So let's just get into it and I'll show you how I made these nails. Okay, so here you can see these are the tips that I'm using, and I'm just selecting my sizes. And then I'm getting my nail stand out and placing the nails on them. This is a bit of a tedious process. I don't know why, but sometimes it's so difficult to get them on there straight and right and not leaning.
Three weeks later.
And now I got my file out and I'm just going to shape them and get rid of that extra plastic on the tip and file them down. And to file all the nails, it took me about 10 minutes. Then I just went in with a brush and dusted off those excess filings. Oh my gosh, you can see the stand is not good, like the magnet. Here I'm going in with a base coat and I'm just applying it to all of the nails. And then of course I put it into my UV lamp to cure. Now for the fun part, I'm going in with pink gel polish and I'm gonna use that as my base color. As the polish, I'm just going in with very thin layers and then I'll cure it and just build the layers up. Next, I'm using a sponge and a darker pink polish, and I'm going in trying to create an ombre effect in the center of the nails. This I also had to do in stages. I had to cure it and then go back in and build the color up. I applied this kind of French tip tape to hopefully save me some time, and I applied a white polish to a few of my nails. with this yellow Beetles polish and applied that to the rest of the nails. I'm just taking the tape off and the line wasn't exactly clean, so I was gonna have to go back in and refine them, clean them up. And here I'm doing exactly that, and I'm going in with my thin brush and I'm really refining the French tip. And then I'm using the polished brush itself and filling in the rest of the color. I just repeated this process, and I also did it for the white ones. I wanted the pink base color to be a bit more pigmented, and I went in with a matte gel polish and some eyeshadow to build the pigment up. And of course, I moved on to the design itself, and I used this really bright pink magenta color. I started adding hibiscus designs and floral designs. And of course, to finish it, I had to go in with my top coat. And that's the final design. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you're interested in checking out my business, you can go to my Instagram or TikTok shop.